Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Magsafe cover fits your phone model and any existing case. This ensures magnets align and charge efficiently. Once done, clean the phone back with a microfiber cloth to remove dust and oils because contaminants block magnetic contact. Place the phone flat on a soft, stable surface so you won't drop it. Now pick up the cover and feel the magnet orientation. You'll want to approach the phone straight on to avoid shifting or scratching the finish. You align the cover so the visible camera cutout and button openings match the phone. Proper alignment preserves functionality and protects edges. Make a deliberate approach from roughly 1/2 inch above the phone, then lower the cover steadily so the magnets find their place rather than slamming down. This gentle motion prevents misalignment and air gaps. Once attached, run your finger around edges and across the camera opening to verify the fit. If something feels off, remove and realign immediately, You finish by testing wireless charging and any Magsafe accessories to confirm magnetic engagement. This validates that alignment and contact are correct. If charging is inconsistent, remove the cover and inspect both surfaces for dust or small particles, because even tiny debris can break the magnetic connection. Make sure the case edges aren't bent and that nothing is obstructing the camera or sensors. If problems persist, try a different Magsafe accessory or consult the manufacturer. Otherwise, reseat the cover slowly to restore a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.